headlines. I'm Amina Ansari and I will be taking you the top headlines from the leading newspapers of the country. Let's start with the Times of India. Lok Sabha Ethics Panel hears Dubey Dehadrai, calls Mahua on October 31st. After recording the oral testimonies of the complainants, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey and Advocate Jay Dehadrai in their cash for query allegations against Mahua Moitra, Parliament's Ethics Committee has summoned the TMC MP as well as sought the help of the Ministries of Home Affairs and IT. Next headline is from the Indian Express. Election Commission serves notice to Himanta Priyanka for poll code violation. The Election Commission on Thursday sent a show cause notice to Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra for violating the Model Code of Conduct. The Election Commission notice to Sarma comes following a Congress complaint that Assam Chief Minister allegedly passed communal remarks and made unverified claims against its candidate, Mohammad Akbar, while addressing a rally in Chhattisgarh. The notice to Priyanka Gandhi was based on BJP complaint that she made false and unverified claims during the speech in Rajasthan that Prime Minister Narendra Modi donated only Rs 21 to a temple. Let's move on to the headlines from the Hindu. PM Modi raising Ram Mandir for poll gains. Scared of caste census. Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary on Wednesday accused Bharatiya Janata Party BJP of raising the Ram Mandir issue just ahead of elections to 5 states and next year's Lok Sabha polls for gains. Next, let's move on to the headlines in the Economic Times. The Lal streets shaken and stirred as US bond yields rebound. India's benchmark stock market indices slumped to a 4-month low on Thursday as the risk of sentiment aggravated after the US Treasury yields rebounded on Wednesday, reflecting concerns that interest rates might stay high for long. Let's move on to the headlines from the Telegraph. Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi facing abuses and threats to life. No police action, alleges Raj Bhavan. There have been incidents of public threat to the life of Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi, but a studied indifference by the state police to the matter has vitiated his security, the Raj Bhavan alleged. Finally, our last headline is from the Hindustan Times. ED raids Congress Rajasthan chief, sends notice to CM's son. The Enforcement Directorate ED on Thursday conducted a raid in the home of Rajasthan Congress chief Govind Singh in connection with an alleged paper leak case and issued a notice to Vaibhav Gehlot, the son of Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot, for alleged contraventions of the Foreign Exchange Management Act in a separate case that dates back to September. Move that sparked a political row in the state headed to the poll next month. That's all for national headlines. To stay updated on the latest headlines from the leading newspapers, do join us on National Headlines from Monday to Saturday at 11:30 a.m.